Hey y'all, we decided to make a sandwich today, and guess what sandwich it's gonna be? It's gonna be the grinder TikTok sandwich. Stay tuned. So we got salami, pepperoni, turkey breast, French roll, and for the seasoning, black pepper, rosemary, red pepper, oregano, salt, hoggy dressing. I gotta have some jalapenos on mine, so yeah. Tomatoes, red wine vinegar, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. You know you can't forget the lettuce, shredded lettuce, pepperoni. I think I'm gonna add some bacon, y'all. Red onion. Cut your onion. Alright, boom. So you're gonna add some mayo. Okay, y'all. So this is how it turned out.